This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. Morning guys, it is January 15th, 2019. This one here I got a call for no heat on the second floor. I know he's got zone valves, he's got a gas boiler. With a bunch of zone valves. So maybe the feeder's stuck or it needs a purge. I have worked with this house before. I've changed a gas valve on this guy's boiler before. And I know he's got purge stations all over the flipping place over here. I don't even really want to go. It's past 2 o'clock, but he wants me to go today, so. On my way there now. Gonna give me the full blessing today. See, maybe it's something simple. We'll find out which zones they are. We'll probably just turn them 2 up. Turn them 2 zones up that are giving them problems, and turn all the rest of them down and see what's going on with it. Heat's on. It's on 72 right there, guy.
Yeah.
You know, maybe it's on these thermostats. I mean, this is fine. You gotta push it on. Gotta put it on hold.
Yeah, exactly.
It wasn't on hold. It was on this set. Oh, it's 72 in here. It's 72. I mean, it is set. Where's the other one? So it is working.
Down in here, but
if I came in here and this was 65 and it's set for 72, that means it's not working. You're 72 and it's set for 72. You can't always go by that. You got to feel the pipe. You got to go by the thermostat. If it's set for 72 and it's 72 in the room, it's working. You might have to go in there and reset this this program here, or leave it on hold.
Yeah, that's what I do. It's not programmed. I just set the temperature and then push.
Okay,
hold.
so it's 73 in here. It's
75 and see if it'll kick on.
Well, it's where's the other one? I mean, you want to leave it on 75, or you want it on 72 where you need it?
It'll kick on at 75. It should kick on, right? If you set it up.
Yeah, we had this same problem before. I think maybe it's just that it's cold out that you're having a... No? Pretty warm in here. I mean, it don't feel chilly to me.
No, it was chilly last night. See, this is 74 and 74 now.
So it is working then. You put it on hold? You put it on hold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I came in here last night, because this room we don't use, so I keep it like 60.
Yeah, so it's where it needs to be. You just missed me. You just want to give me want to give me a check. That's all.
Yeah, I guess so. But I checked the furnace. It kicks on.
We're gonna check that too, but. So you're gonna leave it on hold, right?
Yeah, that's what I do. I set whatever temperature it is.
Because if it's not programmed properly, sometimes you drop it down and then it's gonna come back up to speed.
Yeah,
and all
I
that
don't
stuff.
fiddle with the program because I'm here a lot.
So a couple of months ago, I put yeah, the feeder was stuck.
Oh, is that the deal?
Yeah, that's happened a few times here. It was stuck.
So the valve in there is stuck and it's not pumping.
Well, it's possible, but I came here, it was set at 72 and the temperature was 72.
Yeah, so it's getting through a little bit somehow.
Well, I'm checking it.
Yeah.
I'm just checking it. I mean, if I came here, yeah, I remember putting that gas valve in. If I came here and it was 65 and it set at 74, well, then you got a problem, right?
Last night in that little room, that's what it was. It was 60 and I set it to 72.
Well, it takes a while for it to come up to speed.
Oh, but it didn't. I mean, it didn't there was no reaction because always upstairs when I turned it on.
All right, say you're at 65. Now you turn that thermostat up to 75. It's going to take a couple hours for that temperature to come up.
Yeah.
Just because you put your hand on the baseboard, it don't mean it's going to be red hot unless you're feeling the pipe.
No, no,
You know?
I know. I waited a couple hours.
Don't forget, it's cold, really cold out. It's in the 20s, and the whole house is calling for heat. The first floor is going to heat up before the second floor does.
Yeah.
So you need to leave it alone. Leave it set and leave it there. Okay. Leave it set for 74, whatever you want it at, and just leave it alone. Now, if that's the case, and you come there and it's down 5-6 degrees, then it's not working.
Off the thermostat.
Then you call me, but leave it on hold. If you leave it on a program, and the program,
I don't fool with that.
that could be what the deal was because it wasn't on hold.
Oh, okay. So maybe I hit the wrong button.
Yeah, I think maybe so because it's working off the program if it's not on hold.
Yeah.
So I don't know what that program is programmed for.
I have no idea.
And if you don't hit hold, it's not going to hold that. It's
Right.
going to go to whatever you programmed it at. I never programmed those.
Right.
So, did you, or you just put them on the wall and let them go? Tell your wife the same thing as far as the hold goes, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we got the feeder was stuck. We released that, and the T-stat's on hold. Yeah, with 0010. I mean, that's working. You can feel that's cooking.
Yeah, this was hot.
Yeah, that's definitely hot.
Yeah.
So we don't know what's what as far as where all these zone valves are. I mean, they're all over the place.
Yeah.
So this isn't stuck. You want to go? You want to go back up there and feel those pipes? All right, let's go feel the pipes. You got to feel the pipes. You just can't feel the baseboard. Yeah, you got to put your hand on the pipe. See if the pipe's hot. Let's go. You know, if I came up here and it was 65 or something like that, then you would say we got an issue. But nice and warm. And what's good about this is the heat comes from upstairs, right? Downstairs.
Yeah. It drifts along the ceiling up here.
Yeah, see them things are flashing. You did change the batteries?
Yeah.
All right, so we're on hold. You gotta make sure you keep it on hold. Now you want this 74 and 72 difference? You want the difference?
Yeah.
But you see how these batteries are getting weak?
Uh-huh.
That could be your problem right there. See how it's faded?
Yeah.
You got batteries?
Yep. I'll put them in.
We need to put them in, because see how it is?
Yeah.
Them other batteries right there, it's getting weak. Make sure you put them in the right way.
Yeah, I got it.
Well, that's what the problem is. The batteries are weak. It's a lot brighter. We'll put the new batteries in it. Oh, just batteries. Yeah, that's better. $74 is good?
Yeah.
Alright, that's better. Yeah, you could see it was faded.
Yeah,
like.
it was.
Like, I just left that job. Thermostat set at 72 or 72 in a room. I mean, the other one set at 74 or 74 in a room, so obviously the heat's working. One of them, the thermostat batteries were kind of, needed to be changed. You could tell by the lettering on there. It was kind of faded and stuff. And the feeder was stuck downstairs. I freed that up. There's purge stations all over that cellar. I mean, everywhere. There's like 6 or 8 of them. It's a real job to purge the zones over there. I mean, there's zone valves all over the basement with purge stations, and it's a it's a couple hour job just to purge the air out of that thing. So I told them to make sure all the thermostats are on hold. They're all programmable thermostats. Didn't have them on hold. This guy's known to give me a call, panicking when there's not a problem, but he thinks there might be a problem. So I know the guy very well. So give me a check, and I'm on my way. He loves to give me checks. I know it. Yeah, he loves to give me checks. Yeah, he loves to give me checks. Yeah, he loves to give me checks. Yeah, he loves to give me checks.